Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS beginners to advanced. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS links. With CSS, links can be styled in many different ways. So I'm going to be showing you how you can style links in different ways, and also you can turn it to a button or text links, and a lot we can do with it. So right here, this is our document we want to manipulate. We want to put a link into this document right here. You can check every tutorial concerning links, CSS links, in this our CSS links playlist to be able to follow along easily. So we'll be keeping all the tutorial concerning the links in our CSS links playlist. So right now, this is our code, and let's give it a link quickly to do something nice. Right here, let's say for instance, right here, let's say this is our document right now. As you can see, this is our document. Now let's give it a link. To write a link in our, you can check our HTML tutorial where we discuss about the links. You can check our HTML links playlist to be able to understand how you can create links, different ways you can add links to your document. And right now I'm going to add one now. So to add a link, you are going to write a link. This a tag right here is the one we can use to specify a link, and we are going to just give it, let's give it click me. I'll just give it a name, click me. I'm not here to explain much about this HTML right here, but I just want you guys to follow along easily, because you can check our HTML link playlist to be able to understand everything concerning links. So you can check that also. So right now I just want to give it a link. Let me just create a file. Let's just call it link file. Let's just call it file1.html. I save my document. When I save this document, I reload now. Can you see right here we are having this click me? So when we click it, it's going to take us to the file1.html. So that's what they call link in HTML, and that's how you can create link. So in our next tutorial, we're going to be discussing about how we can style this thing you are seeing right here, how we can style it and make it look more reasonable and responsive and make sense more than this way you are seeing it right here. So that's the benefit of using the CSS links. So we are going to be doing that in our next tutorial. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye.